So for our expand, I'm making the numbers larger. We have 15,000. So 15,368. It's not a 1, 5, 3, 6, 8. It's 10,000 plus 5,000. 368. It's 4. This is really just about being careful about finding the correct numbers. Solve 600 times 80. These are the similar numbers to what we've done in the past. I've just added more zeros. So we have 2 zeros here, 1 0. So we're going to have a total of 3 zeros. So 6 times 8 is 48. 48 with 3 zeros. There should be a comma here. This question, 7 times 9. So we have 7 times 9 is 63. Count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So we have 63 and 63. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, number 4. Think about it. Find the product of 12 and 15 using the distributive property or the standard algorithm. If you can do both, great. I'm going to quickly go over both of them. You just need to do one. So most people are probably going to do 10 and 2 and 10 and 5. 10 times 10 is 100. Now I like putting the numbers on both sides just because I think it makes it more clear what you have to multiply. Then 10 times 5 is 50. 2 times 10 is 20. And 5 times 2 is 10. You have to add up all the numbers. 150, 20, and 10 is 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 1 is 8. 1 is 180 is my answer. If I do that here, I put the smaller number up top, 12 times 15, 5 times 2. So I do this first. 5 times 2 is 10. I put down the 0 and carry the 1. You can put the 1 up here, or you can put the 1 in this little box if that's easier. But don't do both. Make sure you choose one. I'm going to take that off for now. 5 times 1 is 5. And then since we're multiplying, this digit is 10. So I have the 0 to start. So 1. Then 10 times 2 is 20. So I have the 20. Then 1 times 1 is 1. I add these up, 0, 0. Now here, the 5 plus 2 is 7. Don't forget this other 1 up top. Sometimes that's why it's easier to put it here. 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 1 is 8. 180. I got the answer. Same answer, both places. Happy New Year 2021.